Meilan X5 turning signal relay here. It's a streamlined design here. It's designed based on some sport cars. You can see here. It's controlled by a remote controller here. And let's turn it on by long pressing the button on the right side here. It has 80 lumens brightness, so you can see from 100 meters away. Now let's see the functions here. There are 4 buttons here, and the middle of the button can change the flash modes. It has 3 flash modes here. Press. Press. Again. Again, we can see the laser light function here. Press the top button here. It has 2 flash modes. You can create a safety zone to guarantee safety when you're riding at night. And if you don't want to use it, you can turn it off. Okay, let's see the most important function. Turn signal. Okay, let's see. Turn left. And turn right. And it also has a light sensor here at the bottom of the light. When you're riding in the daytime, it will go off automatically. Okay, let's see what comes with it. A piece of foam, some plastic parts, and 2 screws and nuts. The light, a rubber band, a remote controller, and a mount with a belt. And of course you need a screwdriver here. Let me show you how to install the remote controller here. Poke one side of the rubber band here, and then wind the handlebar. And hook on the side here. Okay, it's stable and it's easy. And let's come back to the light itself. It has 2 ways of installation. One is installed under the saddle, and the other is installed on the pipe. So let's show you the first method. It's installed on the pipe. You need to use 1 piece of the foam here and peel up the sticky side and wind around the pipe here. When you install it's like this. You can cut off the spare parts, or you can keep it here like this. Anyway, it's for more friction. And let's see the mold here. Wind around the foam and put it through the mold. And pull it. As tight as possible. Okay. Then put the light here. That's it. And you can adjust the angle. Slightly press the button here and take it off in this way. And actually, if you install like this way, you don't need to take it off all the time, so you can just keep it here under the saddle. There's 2 pipes here. First, you should put the screw and nuts like this. Because if you install like this, it's not supposed to be removable, so you should put the light in advance like this. And then put it here and use the other part of the plastic and put it inside. make it fit for the pipe. And then use the screwdriver to make it tight. And let's see. That's it. Okay, so that's the end of the day. Thank you.